Hello, I'm Cindy Kovar, Program Manager for Texas Agribility. Today we're going to discuss mental health in agriculture. How can occupational therapists help farmers and ranchers who struggle with mental health issues? Occupational therapists promote overall physical and mental health and well-being. They may assess daily activities and routines to identify any challenges or barriers contributing to mental health concerns, such as anxiety, depression, and chronic stress. They may help modify or adapt activities to make them more manageable and enjoyable. Occupational therapists focus on developing and enhancing skills necessary for daily life. This can include coping skills, stress management, emotional regulation, and problem solving. OTs may employ cognitive behavioral strategies to address negative thought patterns, beliefs, and behaviors that contribute to emotional distress. Cognitive behavioral strategies can involve goal setting, challenging irrational thoughts, and promoting positive behaviors. Occupational therapists work with individuals to establish realistic and attainable goals, fostering a sense of achievement and motivation. They can help with setting and maintaining and achieving meaningful goals, which can contribute to a sense of purpose and accomplishment. OTs assess the individual's living and working environment to identify factors that may contribute to emotional distress. Sometimes simple modifications or adaptations in the environment can have a positive impact on mood and well being. Here is a 1 minute box breathing exercise for deep breathing. Okay. And we also have a belly breathing exercise that you guys can join.
What's in a name? With Cotton Patch's $9.99 Texas value meals, everything.
Belly breathing, or the diaphragmatic breath, is a technique used in almost all relaxation techniques. By breathing into the stomach, this signals a response in our body to relax and to calm down. I will note that we aren't actually breathing into the stomach. We're expanding the diaphragm, which pushes down and causes the stomach to naturally rise outward. So, with this technique, we'll be breathing down into the belly. It may be helpful to place one of your hands on your stomach to really feel that rising and falling in the stomach. And as we breathe in, we're breathing in through the nose, pushing the belly outwards with the breath. And on the exhale, we're breathing out through the mouth, drawing the belly inward. Let's try this breath together and see if you can breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly, really feeling that expanding and contracting of the stomach. If you're new to this exercise, lying down is a great position to start in. So we'll just begin by noticing the breath, then gently observing each inhale and each exhale. And then bringing the focus to the stomach, resting a hand on the stomach if that's helpful. And just breathing in slowly down into the belly. And then exhaling out through the mouth. Again, breathing in through the nose, filling the belly. And then letting everything go out through the mouth. One last time, breathing in, filling the lungs and expanding the belly. And then exhaling, letting everything go out through the mouth. Belly breathing is so simple, and that's why I love it. You can do it whenever you want for however long you need. It can be really helpful in redirecting your thoughts or also when you need to take a mindful break. I like to use this at the beginning of my sitting meditation practice, taking 5 or 10 deep breaths before I settle in. And you can really feel the mind starting to slow down with each and every breath.
Okay.
At Cotton Patch, we
Also have available for you guys to QR scan some handouts for some yoga and some stretching that may be helpful for you. And by scanning the QR code, it should take you right there. One for Pilates for preparing for farm work. Another one, yoga for farmers. One for farmer daily stretching program. All this stretching is really helpful because we spend a lot of time sitting on our equipment and working on our farm, a lot of stooping and lifting. So these can be very helpful. Here's an AgriSafe yoga handout. And lots of good references to learn more about mental health. Special thanks to Sarah Pierce for her module research. Contact us today, Cindy Kovar. I'm the program manager of Agribility, Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, 979-321-5232, or email me at cmkovar@ag.tamu.edu, or you can get a hold of us at txagribility.tamu.edu.